the Executive Chairman of the Local Government Council, the decision of the Supreme Court today, and in obeying all laws of our land, I am still the Chairman of the Local Government Council as pronounced by the Universal House of Assembly led by Martin Kekere-Ekun. We want to commend our lords of the Supreme Court. Democracy is operated on two legs, the Constitution and the rule of law. And today, they have done justice to those. And it is clear to all of our leaders, be very careful of those that advise you. We don't understand how those who have no role to play in our state, the likes of Oko-Jumbo, to come and be interpreting Supreme Court rulings and Court of Appeal rulings. Today, it has been called a shenanigan and it has no place in law. The likes of Oko-Jumbo and his co-travelers should bury their faces in shame. And to say they are anti-democrats and they have no place in our law. So we congratulate every Rivers indigenous, those living and doing business in Rivers State, that government was not existing before now. But from today henceforth, government has started running. The uphold of this judgment. We thank all of you for coming.
Are you going to resume your office?
Yes, with this judgment now, how soon are you going to resume?
We will wait for the directive of the Universal House of Assembly as pronounced by the Supreme Court. They will give us direction because in the local government law has been operated today. Our original supervisors are the Universal House of Assembly, and we wait for the directive to move forward.
So your name again, sir?
Dr. Samuel, Chairman of the Local Government Council.